Happy morning to all my lovely kids. I know you know me very well now. I am your SST subject teacher, Gina Thakkar. So, I know my kids have learned all the important points we discussed yesterday. So, let's start this session. We will have a quick recall on the previous topics and we will start our new session. Let's go. Yesterday, we started our first chapter, Maps and Globes. Yesterday we also discussed some points. Let's have a quick recall on that points. Okay. We also discussed the Earth was the only planet which has two things, air as well as water. Here it was. We done a highlight also. We have mountains. The Earth has two masses. One was land mass and second was water body. The land masses were known as continents and the water bodies were known as oceans. Yesterday we had started with this topic. In this we discussed 3 points. I hope you remember. Okay. The next topic was the continents. I told you that you have to remember the 7 names of the continents. Let's have a quick recall on that. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Atlantic, Europe and Australia. These were the 7 continents we discussed yesterday. The continents were separated by the large water bodies, you know already. The largest continent is Asia and the smallest continent is Australia. I know my kids remember very well these topics. So, let's move. We have seen this in the map also. This is Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica was here. I hope you remember. Yesterday we also discussed about the 5 oceans. I also informed you that you have to remember the name of the 5 oceans. They were Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctica Ocean and the 5th was Arctic Ocean. Ocean helps to divide the continents. Oceans plays a role of division between the 2 continents. So, I hope you had remember all tomorrow what we have learned yesterday's stuff. So, today we are going to start our class from the shape of the Earth. The Earth is spherical in shape. The Earth is spherical, not exactly round, it's spherical in shape. Long ago it was believed that the Earth was flat. पुराने ज़माने में long ago सबको क्या लगता था कि Earth है वो flat है, but it was not true. People believed that if we travel to the edges we could fall. लोगों को ऐसा लगता था, let me give you an example. लोगों को क्या लगता था कि जो अर्थ है वो पूरा ऐसे फ्लैट है. अगर हम एजेस मतलब यहाँ कॉर्नर तक पहुँच गए तो हम गिर जाएंगे and we will be no longer on the space. What they felt, if we reach to the edge of the earth we will fall. However, explorers like Ferdinand Magellan and astronomers like Copernicus, these were the 2 astronomers, you have to remember the names, proved that the earth was not flat. These 2 persons proved that the earth was not flat. The earth was not flat. The earth was in spherical shape. Photographs from space and satellites images have also proved that the earth is spherical in shape. The satellites which are on the cliffs, they take the photographs of the entire earth. See, here is the globe. Here is the earth. You can see it is not round, it's spherical in shape. Okay? It's proved by the photos which were taken from the satellites. I hope you remember this. You have to, in this topic, you have to remember the name of the 2 astronomers who has found that the earth was not flat, the earth was A globe is round model of the earth. A globe, you can have a look here. It is a globe. Globe is a round model of the earth. जैसे अर्थ बहुत बड़ा है, ग्लोब क्या है, उसका एक इमेज है बहुत छोटी साइज में. ग्लोब क्या है, उसी का एक छोटा इमेज है. अ टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर, यू कैन से मूर्ति जैसे बोलते हैं, अ टाइप ऑफ, यू कैन से दैट. इट रिप्रेजेंट्स द अर्थ इन अ सिंपल है ना एक्यूरेट वे. ग्लोब क्या करता है कि अर्थ को बहुत सिंपल और बहुत एक्यूरेट वे में दिखाता है. वी कैन सी आवर होल अर्थ विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्लोब. It not only shows the shape, size and location of the continent and water bodies, but also helps us to understand Earth movements on the axis and around the sun. Globe हमें खाली shape, size, location बताने में मदद नहीं करता कि land masses कहाँ पर है, water masses कहाँ पर है, कौन सा continent कहाँ पर है, but it also helps us to understand the Earth movement on its axis. Earth हमारे axis पर घूमता है. Earth rotates on its axis. With the help of globe, we can get so many informations. We can get the shape, we can get the size of the continent or the country, we can get the exact location where the country is, in which continent it is. Now, it was not enough. We can also get so many things from there. We can understand the Earth movement on its axis from globe around the sun. Through the globe has many advantages, it has certain disadvantages. हमारे पास globes के बहुत सारे advantages थे, like we can see the shape, size, location, understand the Earth movement on its axis, but it too has disadvantages also. A globe shows only one side of the earth at one time. For example, it is a globe. मैं सिर्फ एक ही साइड देख सकती हूँ one at a time. And it cannot be carried easily from place to place. Globe is huge in size. It is not possible to put that globe in my bag and I carry and come to school. It is not possible. Globe is little bit heavy. So it is not feasible to move from here and there. The details are not shown clearly because of space limitation. As I told that Earth is so huge and globe is just a simple image. So we can't measure the exact size that this continent is so large in this much kilometers. For your better understanding, I can arrange a globe in school and I can show that. When we come in school, we will be seeing the globe together, we will see the continents, we will see the water bodies, and I will try to present that globe in future videos so you can have a clear image of that. Okay? I hope this topic is clear now. Let's cover the maps also today. Okay, as you see. The word map is derived from the Latin word mappo. Map word was derived, मतलब map word का derive मतलब birth कहाँ से हुआ था? Latin word से. Derive मतलब हमने वहाँ से लिया. Latin word mappo, which means napkin. Mappo means napkin. You can also use now word mappo for napkin. It will have a great fun and routine life. Let's add this word to our dictionary. A map is a representation of the Earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. This is the definition of map. Have a look. A map मतलब नक्शा, देसी भाषा में. A map is a representation of the Earth surface or a part of it on a flat surface. Map means जो लोकेशन है मैं उसको प्लेन पेपर में ग्राफ कर रही हूँ. Okay? You have to remember this definition. Okay? A book of map is called atlas. एक बुक होती है जिसके अंदर आपको सारे जगह के लोकेशंस हर एक चीज आपको मिल जाती है, तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? एटलास. दैट बुक इज नोन एज on the flat surface to show continents. हमें मैप में क्या क्या देखने मिलता है? Continents, countries, cities, neighborhood and even marketplaces. हम मैप्स के अंदर क्या क्या देख सकते हैं? कॉन्टिनेंट देख सकते हैं. इन वर्ल्ड मैप वी कैन सी द कॉन्टिनेंट ऑल्सो. इन कंट्रीज मैप वी कैन सी द कंट्रीज एज वेल एज स्टेट इन इट, cities, neighborhood and even marketplaces. At times map are most useful than globes. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि मैप ज़्यादा यूजफुल होते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ ग्लोब्स. However, maps too have disadvantages. The earth is shaped like a sphere. जो अर्थ है वो स्फीयर की तरह शेप है. Hence the shape of the earth's surface is curved. Earth is shaped as curve. You can have like this curve. Earth is shaped like sphere. Okay. And hence the shape of the earth's surface is curved. You can see earth is like the shape of sphere. तो एक साइड उसका curve होगा. A curved surface cannot be shown accurately on the paper as the paper has a flat surface. मैं कोई भी curved surface को मैं उसे plain paper पे accurately present नहीं कर सकती. And the orange is a perfect example of the earth. Now let us see how the surface of the earth orange is represented as shown in a map. Let's have one thing. आप एक orange लीजिए, आप उसके ऊपर के जो peels होते हैं आप उसे निकाल लीजिए. अब आप निकाल लिया आपने, ओके, पॉज द वीडियो एंड डू इट फर्स्ट. आपने जब उसको पील कर लिया तो आपने उसकी जो थिक स्किन देखी, ऊपर की जो कवरिंग थी, एक्स्ट्रा कवरिंग, उससे आप कोशिश करो कि आप उसे पूरा फ्लैट कर सको, क्योंकि ऑरेंज एक शेप होता है कर्व का. ओके, मार्क 2 points on the orange. Peel the orange from one place in between and the 2 points in such a manner that peel is a simple piece. Now separate it on a table. You notice that the surface is not flat. It has crease. आप जब ऑरेंज को पील करोगे उसके बाद जो उसकी थिक स्किन होगी आप ड्राई करोगे उसे फ्लैट करो. ओके, लेट्स डू वन थिंग. When I send you the next video, we will have a demo on this. I will bring a orange. We will do here in live. I know it will have a great fun. Yeah. Tomorrow with the demo class, I will bring a orange. We will do that exercise in the class only. Okay? We will have a great fun and we will learn also. So today we covered the topics for maps, globe and the shape of the earth. And we had a quick recall of yesterday what we have learned. So your work will be, you have to recall everything and keep it in the mind. And don't forget to bring the orange on next class, okay? We will have a practical session and we will learn also. Till that, stay fit, stay healthy, stay at home, eat healthy food, don't go out. Bye. God bless you.